Hello, you probably clicked this link because you're having a problem with paper not being picked up into your printer. This is an Epson Workforce WF-2860 printer, and just like other printers, this is a common problem, and it's not that hard to get rid of, especially on this model. So it's the 2860 and similar models of the Epson brand. My goal is to help you with this video and get your printer back to printing, and I'd really appreciate a thumbs up if you can, and then let's continue watching this video to resolve the issue. So the main paper is loaded into this tray right here, and as you can see, there's paper in here. That's probably what in your case, it's same thing. You have paper loaded, but the paper printer is saying that you do not have any paper in there. So what you'll need to do, we'll just remove the paper from the tray, and we'll flip the printer on its side. Let's turn the printer off. So we're just gonna, after the printer is off, we're gonna put it on its side. And you can see over here, this is where the tray is. If we pull it out, that gives us access to these rollers right here. So we remove the tray. Just pull it out all the way and then clean these rollers right here. What I like to use is a piece of paper towel with some either warm water or some window cleaner. So these are the rollers right here. I have some window cleaner sprayed onto the paper towel. Do not spray at any parts in here. You don't want to get it wet inside. So just spray at the paper towel or use an alcohol swab like this here. What I like about it is it's not leaving any lint like paper towel might or a napkin, but it's no big deal really. So these rollers, they should be able to spin freely. So I just put the wet portion of the paper towel over one of the rollers, and I spin it a few times, a few circles, a few rounds, and repeat the same thing for the other side. You will see some kind of dirt accumulating. In your case, this one is not having the problem, but if you're having the issue, you'll probably see more dust or ink dust accumulated that is transferring to the cleaning paper towel. So after you've done that, wait a few minutes and you should be good to go. Another thing that we want to check is the back of the printer. So we have this duplexer unit in the back. We're going to remove it, and if you're getting a lot of jams, it's best to just clean this roller right here. So same type of concept, it's just one wheel, so you're just going to hold a paper towel over here with some window cleaning or just warm water on it. Probably a window cleaner would be the best, and you just spin the wheel and clean it that way. Look inside the area and see if there's anything that's in the way. That is often the issue sometimes if your paper is being picked up but you get a lot of jams. It would be in this area right here. Check it out, make sure there's nothing in there, and if there is, get it out of the way. And you definitely want to make sure that you put the duplex unit in properly again. So it'll be like this here. This side is down, this side is up. You'll see this kind of like like a text here or a few letters. It's not really a part number or anything, it's just production stamp. And make sure you make sure it's flush. If it's not, then you're going to have either paper jams, like if you didn't close one side like this here, you're going to have paper jams or skewed paper prints. And with paper jams, you definitely want to check inside here, make sure there's nothing in there that's in the way. But usually if your paper is not being picked up, the reason is that main tray usually, because that's the only paper tray on this printer model. If your printer is not taking the documents that you're trying to feed through this document feeder, there's also rollers here. You're just going to lift this tray or the cover, and you can see the rollers right here. This is the roller that you want to clean. Same concept. Do not spray anything in here. Spray it on the paper towel. Clean this. There's a roller here, and then further down there's a bigger roller. So check that out. Clean it, and you should be good to go. Just let it dry for a few minutes before you use the printer. But that should take care of the problem. So hopefully this video was helpful for you. Please comment in the area below, in the comment section below, and I'll try to answer any of your questions. But in the meantime, I wish you good luck with the printer and have a wonderful day. Thank you.